here, and I was looking at my garden, not really paying a lot of attention. Look how beautiful. Look at all of that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Isn't it just spectacular? Okay, I love it. I love all the flowers. But I didn't notice this until today, and they're just starting to get beautiful. This is going to be amazing when they spring open. Check this out. See the yellow lilies coming in? Oh, this is going to look spectacular. I'll have to get some pictures when the lilies start blooming. But this is the first year they've really, like, they're popping. Wow. They just like water. They like to be wet. So, yeah, this is going to look beautiful when they pop open. Yeah, with this purple and then yellow and then more purple, lavender. Oh, it's going to be just beautiful. Maybe I'll put Macy in there and get a picture of her. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I love it. Okay, I have, look at the lilac. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so my bees, my split that I did. Oh, check this out. They're coming and going. I'm seeing them come and go out of there. I hope. I see chewed on wax in there, kind of, I think. I don't know yet. But I don't know, we'll see. But the bees are coming and going. Not as much as I'd like to see them come and go, but it'll take a couple days, I think. Oh, I hope it works. I hope it works. I set up another. I hope it works. My other ones are doing so well. I mean, so well. They're all kind of coming in for the night. I love the bees. Anyway, so there is the little garden. It's so pretty. I love my world. I just do. Bye.